Hello everyone, my name is Joyce. Today I'm going to present the assignment part 1 session B, the AOL process improvement and Power BI dashboard. This assignment shows some problems that we need to fix it, which are the inefficient and manual handling AOL data that are across multiple files and reporting format. It causes error prone, time consuming, and not scalable for students. So this assignment is going to challenge students to apply our data preparation and transformation skills, develop the Excel automation functions such as VBA and macros, also asking us to implement data integration between different files format, performing data visualization and analytics by using Power BI. This assignment aims to enhance our business intelligence and reporting skills, demonstrating end-to-end analytics workflow. So here's the process improvement flowchart. In this improved process, we are going to import AOL template into Excel from PDF, running the VBA button to automatically generate the unit files. After the unit files generation, we use another VBA button to consolidate the data into master list and import them to Power BI. So we can create dashboard and analyze the data in Power BI. Let's start with Excel features explanation. Here's the Excel LOL report. The worksheet data is imported from another document that has the same table as we can see here. Right. All right. Instead of manually enter the data one by one in Microsoft Word, we can import the data and generate new files automatically through the automated button by using Excel. I will show the process later. Another Excel feature is to avoid inputting error message. For example, the percentage column here, we can only enter the percentage within 0 and 100%. Otherwise, Excel display an error message like this. But if we enter the correct amount, then there's nothing mistake measured by Excel. So here's the data set we have to import to LOL report. I have created an automated button. Insert the VBA code here. Let me show you the VBA code. Here is it. For data importing, and I will generate the new 10 files. Let's do that. All right, so we just wait for a while. All right, so all files created successfully, then let's look at the file. Here's the 10 files that we already generate by Excel, and I will show you the completed AOL report. So the information, all the information has been filled automatically. All right, so after that, we want to import the AOL reports data into the Excel master list here. Also using automated button, and this is my VBA code. So that the data will go to the correct cells here. All right, so we click it. And we select the generated files. So the Excel now is in the processing. We just wait for a while. All right, so we can see here's the outcome. The column have filled with the provided data correctly. Now we already completed the Excel worksheets. Let's go to Power BI. For this session, we are going to use master list Excel worksheet and input the data into Power BI. So we can have the same table and the same data in Power BI table view feature here. In Excel, we got two worksheets, and also we have two groups of data in Power BI. which are competencies and master list. Based on this data, we have to do 7 visualizations for data analysis, and I will show the Power BI features for you. In the table view, we can add more columns with new formula, such as benchmark status column. Here's the formula that I use so that I can know the status for the students. And we can also calculate something through the new measure function, this one. And here's the formula. This is the measure that I use for the calculation. In the dashboard, we can create various kind of visualizations in the dashboard. It provided cluster chart, pie chart, matrix table, and the others. Okay, so for the 7 visualizations, the first one I created is trend of data by year and study period for each course. I use cluster bar chart and insert the year in y-axis. Put this information into value so we can see. Here's the chart. We need to analyze the data based on study period also. So I add a slicer with study period data here. We can see that we just need to select the study period. Then we can know the details. All right, so let's clear the selections. So for the next few data visualizations, they want the yearly trend by course level, by location, measure, and competencies. I have used different visualizations for those, and I pull the specified data for each visualization as the x-axis or y-axis. And I insert the slicer with year data for all. This. So the next visualization is the hierarchy competencies per course. I use matrix table for this. In this table, I use 4 data for the row, which are come from competencies table, so that I can know the very detailed information for each course. To easier find the data that we want, I use 3 slicers here. When we filter the data by all slicer, like now I select the postgraduate course level 2023, and I want the course master of industrial resources. So then we can get the information for this course, look like this. So now we clear all the selections and we will go back. All right, so the last visualization is the benchmark status. I use stake bar chart for it. The Excel, the y-axis information came from the column added by me, which is the benchmark status. And I use the formula to create this column. So that's the visualization that you can see here with other data input in y-axis in legend column. Okay, so I combine all the slices and the visualizations into a page. I synchronizing them so the chart will be changed together when I select a slicer here. So you can see that. So now we clear the selection and we will go back and present all the information here. So as a conclusion, I have introduced the common issues in the data work progress, demonstrating and introducing the features and the method of Excel and Power BI here. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you.